Actress Francis Odigie don't come outside to cry out to the public, and according to her, she dey call on different bodies wey this woman don't call. Me myself, I don't confuse. World Health Organization dey inside, even coronavirus people dey inside. She dey call una dey laugh. She dey call on everybody. Say me una come out come help her. Make I give una small of the gist before una go hear her own side. According to Ram, she say she dey happily married though, but now the problem be say before she marry, she been get one baby daddy, where she come born for that one, and before she born, she first abort one pikin for this baby daddy wey we dey talk about. She abort one, so as after the second pregnancy enter, the man wan convince her again, say, oh yeah, you need to remove this one, you know say I dey marry. The man dey married though. The man wife dey abroad. No be small matter, my people. After he convince the woman come enter trouble because many things won't come dey happen, because the man dey find many ways to remove that second one too. Now so she go report am for police. They come tell her say it's against the law. Many wahala come inside this matter. And the period where this man dey toast this woman, the man tell her say, okay, well, I'm married, but I promise you that my wife, you and my wife will never cross paths. Meaning say nobody go give each other trouble. My people, no be small kasala don burst. Now the woman don born, and according to her, the man no ready to accept this pikin as in pikin. Say no be in pikin. So I beg, I don't bring and call herself so that una go hear the madam herself. Join me, make we watch the video.
This is a crying mother needing a help from Nigerians, from the world at large, for foreign bodies, NGOs, women organizations, human rights. I'm calling for your help. I'm calling for you to fight this fight for me. Yes, I'm happily married, but I had a child for my baby dad. When we were dating, I became pregnant of this my child, which he had forced me to get rid of the first pregnancy I had for him. This second time, he said it was head bent on me doing it again. I fell for his sugar-coated tongue. I dated him because he said he's a businessman based in Nigeria mostly. So the woman he has abroad will not cross paths with me. But when I became pregnant, he started fighting me that the woman abroad will kill him. You understand? He tried to bribe me. He said he will give me 1.5 million. He will give me a plot of land. He will give me the helmet jeep I was driving. He said he would leave it for me. I said, the child I have not given birth to, you are pricing all these things on her life. I will not. He tried to force me. He tried to push me. I did not. So finally, I had my child. From 9 months, at the due of 9 months till date, till I gave birth to this child, till now, he has not seen my child's face. This is my child. This is my child. He has not seen my child's face. So, I'm calling on well-meaning Nigerians. So please, join me on this fight. If he doubts the paternity of my child, he should come for a DNA test. I, the mother of my child, I'm challenging the father of my child, Dumezedo. His name is Dumezedo, a.k.a. Eruwailan one of Amsterdam. If he doubts the paternity of my child, he should come for a DNA test. If I say this woman now no get sense, una go tell me say Madam Aproko no get respect. Madam Aproko no dey respect elders. No, which respect I won't give this one now? Which respect una won't make her? I know I dey ask before I go talk with her. I want to. Which respect I won't give this woman now? First of all, this woman no say this man a married man. First, she still chook head inside though. Because he's a businessman, because he has businesses, he has money. You took head inside. Secondly, now person just open mouth tell you now say she's happily married. Because if you're happily married, I don't understand. Why are you not calling on this man again? Because the word happily means you are comfortable one. You are okay. You have attention, you have care, you have love, you have everything. Why are you not calling on this man? Why? Why can't you just focus on your daughter and your marriage? The first self say she even mentioned say she's happily married, meaning say the husband when she marry, not even they complain about this pikin when she get outside the wedding. So what is the problem with this woman? Now wait till they try to understand first. Because I don't have help.
Hey, now no dey understand me. In fact, no be me sef. In fact, all of una by fire by force. We don't have help. Our help has finished. Our help has finished. We know which help una. I don't tire because this thing every day they bring am here talk am. Una no dey hear me. If I dey talk, if they do na like say I too dey talk. You dey follow person husband now. You dey come outside. Dey cry for help. Abi, am I the one that is crazy? I no just understand. Abi, I no hear very well. The man is married. For una wey no dey hear, or maybe una get kotibu for una ear. The man is married. So what should we do now? May we go look for the man address. May we go. No, what? Abi, I want make this woman dey very specific, madam. I know you are hearing me and you are looking at me now. I need you to be specific. What should we do? What kind of help should we help you with right now? Una go dey do deaf ears when people dey tell una something. 3 good years you dey follow married man. 3 good years. And your body no shake. You no feel anything. Now you are happily married. So okay, Ngwano, the man you are married to now. What if tomorrow you hear that this man is now following another woman or a younger lady? How will you feel? Una no dey even. Una no dey think. Oh. Hey. Later now, them go dey kashaba. Well, because person they follow na husband, go they jump from one church to another, die by fire. Nobody go die by any fire. Since you followed another man and another woman husband, you did not die by fire. Please, nobody will die by fire. What you want for yourself is what you should do for other people. Where what be name? Benue State Governor bring outside. Una dey shocked. No worry, una go soon here. Bring outside. Bros, how far? You see what I call you outside? This case, I hand them over to you. For una wey remember, you understand? Una go understand. I bring this case over to you because say you know say na your type of case be this. Now the one where you sabi, you no know your governor position again. Now to settle marriages. Ungwano, I don't bring this one so that you go fit take. Why na they look me like that? Now only this man fit handle this case. As you see me like I no get help. Oh. Me I no get help to give anybody because hey no dey under my armpit. Make una no even start. Ha. Una no go understand. No, continue to dey look me like that. You try the gods. When the gods strike, you can't dey run around dey look for help naked. Now me go help you. Mbanu me, I no get because nobody should even try. If you get help, because come and help her. Join Benue State Governor. May all of una join hand together. Help this woman. Before you wake up for this country, wahala don full everywhere. This woman. No, I just remember now. She even dey call foreign bodies. She call no hear that. She say I'm calling on everybody, World Health Organization, foreign bodies. Not only foreign bodies. Now local scheme, you go soon come. You never see anything. Continue the if una like no learn. All of una way una know una even dey hear me now. Una stay inside this game. Continue. Make una no learn. Now tomorrow una go come outside. Nonsense. Shame not even they catch you. You deal with another person husband. You still they come out. If I be you, I go even close my mouth. I no go even make. See, you know that sound. I no go even behave like say this kind of thing happened in my life before. I go do like say I be virgin self. In fact, you come outside, you can't tell us. Me we can't help you. As per waiting. As per Helping Association of Nigeria, I don't put my hand for anybody relationship this 2021. I don't tell that before. So anything what you want talk. 1, if you know say you feel help her. 2, if you know say you need the man address. 3, anything what you need to help this woman. If you want help her, I bet drop her for that comment section and I go find the details. Give her to you. Very very important. That one I go help her. But say I go help na lie. I bet start drop her for that comment section and I go reply now one by one as usual. Make sure say you share this video. Hey, so that the foreign bodies, you understand? I don't know who be foreign body, but I beg, make the foreign bodies start the help am. Very, very important. And Benue State Governor too need hear this one. Because subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you no go know about foreign bodies. Happy birthday, stay tuned for our next story.